Ever thought your home NAS could feel like owning your own cloud or just a constant tech headache? Today we're pitting ZimaOS versus Unraid. Both promise to make your personal server life easy. Stay with me, I've dug into real user feedback, bugs, and all. First up, ZimaOS, built by Icerail, forked from Casa OS, it aims to be a beginner-friendly NAS or private cloud OS with features like RAID support, remote access, unified file manager, app store, and auto backups. Then there's Unraid, a veteran in this space. A more mature NAS OS for home servers supports mixing and matching drives, Docker or VMs, community apps, parity protection, etc. If we talk about ease and UX, ZimaOS is a very simple, clean, and lightweight, great for beginners who want minimal fuss. Unraid gives you a lot more control and features, but can be a bit steeper in the learning curve. If we talk about features and flexibility, ZimaOS has been adding more. Newer versions include RAID models such as JBOG or RAID 6, backup tools, virtual machines of some kind, while Unraid shines with flexibility, mixed drive sizes, run many Docker containers or VMs, large community ecosystem, lots of pre-built apps. If we talk about performance and limitations, ZimaOS is still maturing. Users report bugs, missing features, or instability in older versions. The security side has some concerns, like, for example, unauthenticated API exposure, directory traversal issues in versions 1.2.4. Unraid has its trade offs: lower write speed or parity overhead, cost or licensing, hardware demands, and maybe less optimized for ultra heavy enterprise use. If I were building one myself, if you're new to NAS or NAS, or want something that just works and don't need hardcore performance or extremely advanced features, ZimaOS looks appealing for basic personal cloud, backups, media streaming, etc. But if you want deeper control, better community support, more mature virtualization or app support, then Unraid is still the safer bet. Which way would you go? Simplicity and evolving features with ZimaOS, or mature power and feature richness with Unraid? Drop your pick in the comments. And if this helped you decide, hit like and subscribe so your next NES doesn't become your next frustration.